Hello everyone. I one more time welcome you in today's online session. Students, last two sessions we have learned about different views and the Rangoli patterns. Yes, we are just going with chapter number 1, where to look from, and we are continuing this session with a new concept, with a new topic. But before that, I am very excited to tell you one nice story. So we will begin today's session with nice story. What happened? One day Amina met a painter and she was very much eager to draw her picture. So to draw her picture, she asked a painter, "Can you make my picture?" So painter said, "Yeah, sure, but I charge 200 rupees." Amina said, "Fine." So painter started to make her picture. After a while, the painter showed her the picture. "Amina, how do you like it?" asked by the painter. So Amina was surprised. She said, "But this is only half." The painter said, "Correct, but the other half is exactly the same. So just put mirror to get your complete picture." Amina was shocked. She thought a while. Meanwhile, the painter asked, "Amina, can I have my money now?" So Amina said, "Okay, fine. Take this 100 rupees." And Amina gave him a 100 rupees note. The painter said, "Hey, this is only half." So Amina replied, "The other half exactly the same. Just put a note in front of a mirror, you will get your full money." And she ran away from there. Means here, first the painter tried to cheat Amina by drawing her picture in a half. And he played a trick to make people fool that whenever he was drawing someone's picture, that time he was drawing it exactly half, and he was putting a mirror next to it, and he was telling that, "See, you got a full picture." Like this way, the painter drew so many pictures in a halves. So these all halves are called mirror halves. Why they are called mirror halves? Let me tell you. Now for example, take a first picture. Now we can see that the picture will be looking like a face of boy. When we will place a mirror center or next to the picture, we can see exactly same image in the mirror. And when we will join them, we can see a complete face of a boy. Means we get a complete picture. There won't be change in the mirror. As we see in the mirror, we can see ourselves as it is in the mirror. When we keep ball in front of a mirror, we get exactly same image in the mirror. So these kind of halves are called mirror halves. Means when we put that half in front of a mirror, we get exactly same picture in the mirror. So these kind of pictures are called mirror halves. Now the painter drew so many half things in his collection, and he was trying to cheat the customers. Now there are few pictures on your textbooks page also. So you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures he has drawn, and those are in the half. So what you have to do, you take a mirror and place next to the picture and try to find out which picture the painter wanted to draw. Okay, you will get a complete picture in the mirror. So these all pictures are called mirror halves. Are you getting my point? Once again I explain you. Mirror halves means the half which are exactly same we can see in the mirror and make a complete picture. Making a complete picture is most important thing. Got it? Move to the next. Now here are few pictures in this slide. Okay, now these pictures are cut into halves, but they are not mirror halves. Few from these pictures are at a mirror halves. We will just find out. Now first we see a key. When we place a mirror center vertical order on the key picture, can we get exactly the same to next to it? No. So key is not a mirror half. Next, rectangle has cut into slant. See, you can place mirror into vertical way, horizontal way, slant way, anyhow, but the condition is you have to get the same exactly same picture in the mirror. Then and then only those halves are called as a mirror halves. Okay. Now the third picture is TV. When we place a mirror center of the TV, shall we get mirror halves? No. Now we will move to the next line. The first picture is sun. Now if we place a mirror horizontal way on the sun, shall we get the mirror halves? Correct, we will get a mirror half. Likewise, move to the second last, that is a flower. Okay, when we will place a mirror little bit slightly on the flower, shall we get a same kind of picture in the mirror? Yes. So the first 6 pictures are not mirror halves, but the last 6 pictures are mirror halves. So we can place mirror anyhow we want, but when the half is exactly same in the mirror, those pictures are called as a mirror half. Now here there is a task for you. I have sent one worksheet to you. In that there are so many pictures which are cut into half. They have cut into half or different parts, but you have to find out which pictures are at mirror halves, and you have to do tick mark for it. In the second question, you have to draw some pictures at their halves, and you have to ask your family member to guess them. So solve that worksheet as soon as possible and send back to me. I am waiting for your answers. Okay. Now there are not only pictures or images which we can cut into half and we will get a mirror half. There are so many alphabets which can be having mirror halves. Okay, I will start with the A. Now when we draw a capital A and we cut it from the center of the alphabet, we will make its half, and when we will place mirror next to it, we will get a complete A, and it can be both the way. If we place a mirror to the right side, then also we will get a A. If we place a mirror to the left side, then also we will get a A. So alphabet A is mirror half alphabet. Such kind of so many alphabets are there. You have to find out today which alphabets are mirror half alphabets and which are not. I have few words which will be make you little bit interesting about the mirror halves. Okay, would you like to see it? Take it. Now here are three words which I have got into their mirror half. Now what we have to do, we have to guess which letter it will be and which word it will be. Okay. Now just try to just raise your brain that in a clue number 7 which letter they will be. They have cut into halves and all are at the mirror halves. So run your brain and comment me the answer. Meanwhile, I will also try. First letter can be H. The second letter can be O. Correct. So comment your letters, comment your answers in the chat box fast. I am waiting for it. Wow, very good. You are trying good. Okay. So here I have done something for you. Okay. The clue 8 and the word 7 and word 8 I have done. Can you see? Yes. So first letter is H, second is O, third is E. So first word is Hoi. 8, clue number 8, first letter is A, H, then I, then D, then E. So the word is hide. Now next clue, you have to comment me which letter are those and which word it is. Hurry up students. Yes, very good. Now such kind of same worksheet I have sent to you on the portal. So there are two worksheets which I have attached, I have sent to you. You have to solve both within next 1 or 2 days and you have to send back to me. What you have to do, in the first question you have to draw the pictures exactly mirror half, exactly the same next to it, and you have to complete it. You have to find out which pictures are mirror halves, which are not mirror halves. Okay, and there are few words in the second worksheet which are at their mirror halves. So you have to ask your family members to guess which words are they, and you have to draw the remaining half. So you will get a complete word. So are you excited to do it? So do at home, make it very properly and send back all the worksheets to me. I am waiting for that. Till there, be at home, be safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. See you soon. See you as early as possible with the next session with a new activity. Till there, bye bye. Thank you so much.